How to work less but make more money. Ready to unlock the secrets of working less but making more money? Welcome to our channel. We are about to change the way you approach your finances, and the journey starts here. In this video, we're diving into the art of efficiency, passive income, and savvy financial strategies. If you're tired of the never-ending grind and want to discover how to achieve more with less effort, then you're in the right place. Don't miss out on these powerful tactics that can transform your financial future. Are you ready to take control of your wealth-building journey? Share in the comments which strategy resonates with you the most, and let's start making your dreams a reality. Are you tired of the never-ending grind, working your fingers to the bone and still struggling to make ends meet? Well, what if we told you there's a way to flip the script and actually work less while raking in more cash? That's right, it's not a pipe dream, it's a game changer, and we're about to spill the beans. We'll dive into the art of efficiency, passive income, and savvy financial strategies that'll have you wondering why you ever did it the hard way. The real question is, can you afford to miss out on the secrets of working less and making more? Let's find out together. Number 5, Steve Jobs Rule. Let's talk about a game-changing principle known as the Steve Jobs Rule, a rule that can be a game-changer in various aspects of your life, including your career, relationships, and businesses. This rule got its name from the legendary Steve Jobs, who used it to save Apple from bankruptcy. It's called the Pareto Principle, and here's the idea. 20% of the causes generate a whopping 80% of the results. In relationships, we often find that 80% of our happiness comes from just 20% of our partner's behavior. Steve Jobs applied this principle to Apple by identifying where 80% of the profits were coming from and cutting out the rest. For Apple, it was all about the iPad, iPhone, and Mac. Keep in mind, it's not always a strict 80-20 rule. It could be 70-30 or 90-10. The key takeaway is that most of the results come from just a small portion of the causes. Now you can put this concept into action in your own life to make more money while working less. Analyze your to-do list and figure out which 20% of tasks will produce 80% of the results. Prioritize these high-impact areas and focus on them, giving them the most attention. Once those cash cows are tended to, move on to the lower-impact projects. It's all about optimizing your efforts for the best return on investment. So are you ready to work smarter, not harder, and make that 20% work for you in your life? Number 4, put yourself in the right spot. The next thing is all about positioning yourself in the right spot. You see, other people used to get paid less than they deserved, not because they lacked skills, but because they were in the wrong place. If you've ever felt like you should be earning more for your talents, it's time to seek a market that truly values what you bring to the table. Imagine this: someone had a piece of land he inherited, and he knew it had potential. So, he decided to sell it at a local auction just outside London. He made a modest 25% profit, but guess what? A few months later, someone else listed the same land on a London-based website and made a whopping 100% profit. The exact same piece of land, mind you. Why? Because it was the right marketplace where there was high demand and a much higher perceived value. The lesson is crystal clear. If you're not getting the recognition you deserve where you are, it's time to pack your bags and knock on a different door. Your set of skills, whether it's crunching numbers, being a swordsmith, or any other talent, can yield vastly different rewards in various industries and settings. It's not always about working harder or improving your skills. It's about maximizing your earning potential by placing yourself in the right room where your skills will fetch you the rewards you truly deserve. So ask yourself, where can your skills bring you the greatest return so you never have to settle for less than you're worth? Hey, before we continue, we want you to know that we're always making new content, so make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Number 3, focus on value over hours. Let's talk about how to break free from the endless cycle of trading hours for dollars and truly up your income game. You see, for many of us, we've been conditioned to think that making more money means working longer hours or climbing the corporate ladder to boost that salary. It's a path many of us have walked, but here's the catch: it comes with its limitations. Your time is valuable, but it's finite. You can only sell so many hours in a day. Let's have this story of a personal trainer. She was a one-on-one coaching machine, fully booked with a whopping 50 clients. She expanded her horizons, hosting group sessions, workout events, and more. However, she soon hit a wall. There was just no more time to give. Then the pandemic hit and she had to adapt. She started creating online content and developed an app that guided people on their fitness journey. Suddenly, her income had no ceiling. It could grow without limits. Now, here's the interesting part. It's a riskier route, no doubt, but when it pays off big. So if you're looking to make more while working less and escape the rat race, start by shifting your perspective. Instead of selling your time for money, think about the skills you possess that can add value to most people. Use that skill in a way that positively impacts others and solves a big problem. Be the captain of your financial ship and set sail toward the horizon of limitless possibilities. As Naval Ravikant said, the rewards can be much greater, so are you ready to change the game? Number 2, be the captain. Have you ever wondered what it takes to truly work smarter, not harder? Well, here's the deal. In the past year, we've learned that it's not just about how hard you grind, but rather what you focus on and who you team up with that can make all the difference. Think of it this way. It's like being the captain of a ship. The captain's role is vital, but the ship won't sail without the skilled crew members, the ones who steer. In your world, it means dedicating your time to working on the business, not just in the business. You see, when you're caught up in day-to-day tasks, it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture, and you might not even realize if your ship is sailing in the right direction. But there's a way to make more money without doubling your efforts or time. Spend your time strategically working on the business and surround yourself with experts who can handle different aspects of the operation. It's all about collaborating and leveraging the strengths of others. So, if you're seeking income streams that don't tie you down to trading your precious time for money, you're in the right place. Hey there, before we reveal the top one on the list, make sure you tap that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on our newest videos. You can decide if you want notifications for just a few videos or all of them. It's your choice. And if you're using your phone, don't forget to enable notifications in your settings. Number 1, set an achievement date. Are you someone who loves to plan everything out before taking action, making sure you've got every detail covered? But here's the thing, always planning is not the most effective approach if you want to work less and make more money. There's this great quote that says, "Don't mistake activity for achievement." You see, it's all about being organized and executing tasks effectively to produce results. So whenever you have a new idea or project, you can start by setting a specific action date. This is how it works. There's this guy who wanted to get into real estate. He'd spend months learning every little detail, crunching numbers, and analyzing deals multiple times, but he hesitated to take that final step and make an offer. He was stuck in the motion phase, thinking he was making progress when he wasn't. So, what he learned is to set that action date, a non-negotiable deadline for when he moves from planning to taking action. It helps him get out of his head, focus on the end result, and work more efficiently. Plus, it keeps him from overthinking and procrastinating. And there you have it, one step closer to making more money while working less. There you have it, the top 5 game-changing strategies to working less and making more money. But before we wrap up, we've got a burning question for you. Which of these tactics resonated with you the most, and are you ready to put them into action into your own life? Is it Steve Jobs' rule that emphasizes the 80-20 principle, or perhaps it's about positioning yourself in the right spot and maximizing your skills' worth? Maybe you're eager to shift your focus from hours to value, just like our friend, the personal trainer. Or do you see yourself taking the helm as the captain of your ship and working on the business, not just in it? Or is it all about that crucial action date to drive results? Now we want you to choose your next move. In the comments below, let us know which strategy you're most excited to implement, and let's work together to make your financial dreams a reality. And as always, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on my latest content. And for more resources and links related to today's topics, be sure to check out the description below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to reading your comments and engaging with you in the next video.